guys, and welcome back to our channel. This weekend we packed our bags and headed off for a 2-night getaway to Sawmill Settlement, the closest spot to the snow and the perfect base for a winter escape.
The last weekend, and we have booked an Airbnb up near Mt Buller. So on the way to Mt Buller, we stopped into this place in Yark, and we stopped at this bakery called the Bucks Bakehouse. And if you drive through Yark, I recommend to check that place out. It's got really cool stuff in there. Hello. Arrived at our Airbnb, and this place is gorgeous. Do you like this place, guys? Wow.
Want to sleep in the shop?
Have a look out here. Is everybody ready?
The original plan was to head up to Mt Buller for the day, but since it was a super busy weekend and we didn't pre-book parking, we had to switch things up. So instead we made our way to Mt Stirling.
It's currently 1 degrees here in Sawmill Settlement, and we are going to have a 20-minute drive up the mountain. Just arrived at Mt Stirling, and I'm just going to go check out the toboggan slopes. Georgia's fallen asleep on my shoulder. Has she fallen asleep? You asleep? I know. Here goes Thea. There goes Luca.
Mt Stirling turned out to be a win. We found a great little tobogganing area, and the kids and adults had a blast sliding down the slopes.
Hey, who's going down? Go, bye! tobogganing here at Mt Stirling, and now it's time to go back to the Airbnb and have some hot pot for dinner.
Even though the plans changed, we couldn't have asked for a better weekend. Snow, fun, and a cozy spot to come back to each night.
Okay, we're back at our Airbnb. Mum's in the kitchen. What's for dinner tonight?
Spring roll.
Some spring rolls, and we're doing hot pot. We're just checking out of our Airbnb. Gonna head over to Mansfield and get some breakfast. Do you want to sign it? Okay, let's sign the guest book.
Thanks for coming along on our snowy adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more family getaways and memories in the making.